Okay, at this time we moved over to the main clean out. We've already done our descale of this line. Everything's in pretty good condition. At this time we are going to take a look at the main line going out. As you can see, the line has already been descaled throughout here. Then we get out to our 6-inch clay up here. And you can see there's some calcite buildup in the line here. You see there's a large piece of calcite built up right there. We do have our jetter head in here. We're going to be starting our jetting to remove the calcite out. But as you can see, going through here, there's some calcite buildup on a couple of joints. There's a couple sections through here with some calcite buildup. Not terrible. As we continue out, the sewer's only roughly about 45-50 feet long. It goes out the back towards the fence. You see there's some calcite right there sitting on the bottom. And then we are at the city main right here. Alright, at this time we're going to go ahead and pull back. We will start our jetting, get everything removed from the joints, and we'll flush everything out from the other cleanouts over to this one, and then from those other cleanouts to this one, then from this main cleanout out to the city main, and then we will do full video work, final video work of everything to show our work. So this time we are going to continue on pulling back.
Alright, so this is our final camera work for the main line. As you can see, we went through the 4-inch cast iron into the 6-inch clay tile. We hydrojetted to clear a couple of joints with calcite, and we flushed the scale debris from the first little bit of cast iron. As you can see, the sewer is open, flowing. It should not have any problem with any backups in the near future. We will also camera both the underfloor lines from the stacks that we also descaled from. But this is just going to be our final televise from the main stack, showing that this sewer is 100% clear at this point in time. And as you can see here, we are at the main. Those are some calcite chunks we flushed into the main right there. At this point in time, we will continue to record as we pull back, but this will conclude our final televise for this main cleanup.
Okay, at this time we moved over to the clean out just above the bathroom upstairs. As you can see, we are at a 4-inch stack. It's 3-inch coming down, but 4-inch underground. We are going to go ahead and take a look at that. We've finished up our D-scale of this line at this time. So at this time we're going to go ahead and do a video inspection of our work. As you can see, everything was in really bad condition before. As you see, we got everything back to its original form. There's a couple sections in here that were a little rougher than the rest, but all in all, cleaned up pretty nicely. You can see there's no rough spots at the bottom anymore. And so we're going to make it turn, drop down just before the clean out. The clean out is right there above us. And you see everything is all flushed out, and line is nice and smooth now. At this time we are going to go ahead and pull back. This will be a final televise of this line, and then we will move over to our final clean out in the bathroom in the basement, in the shower. So this time we're going to go ahead and pull back.